Meaning of gun.
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 Gun. Gun is a noun that refers to a weapon or device that is designed to fire projectiles at high velocity. Guns come in various shapes and sizes and can be used for different purposes such as hunting, sports shooting, self-defense or military applications. The use of guns has been a controversial issue for many years due to its potential for deadly consequences and the debate surrounding gun control. While some argue that guns are necessary for protection and recreational use, others believe that stricter regulations are needed to prevent gun violence.